Hey guys, Laurie here. Welcome to my video. Today we're going to be making some healthy chocolate chip cookies. Now please don't be scared off by the ingredients we're going to be using. The base is going to be oatmeal, but I promise these do not taste like oatmeal cookies. So you're going to need oatmeal, applesauce, vanilla extract, chocolate chips, some flaked coconut, banana, some peanut butter spread or peanut butter powder. I'm using walnuts. You can use any type of nuts that you like, cinnamon, a little bit of salt, and I'm going to be using chia seeds. This recipe was adapted from the Skinny Fork website. The base that you're really going to need to use is going to be the oatmeal, applesauce, some sort of nut spread, and the bananas. I've really changed it to fit my taste over the years. These are delicious for a snack, for breakfast, for a dessert, of course. But you can really make it with any sort of chocolate chips, with different dried fruit, nuts. This is really a delicious recipe that you can adapt to fit what you like. So good. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to make these to your own taste. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give this video a big old thumbs up. You can follow me on Twitter at lauriekoehler, Instagram at lauriekoehler, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!